guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be making stuffed Rice Krispie treats. These are just like peanut butter Rice Krispie treats pretty much. And you just add peanut butter to the cereal, and then there's Reese's peanut butter cups inside. And they're pretty good, and there's chocolate on top and
peanut butter on top. And
yeah. So, we are going to be making those today. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our videos and just to help us out. And after you subscribe, there's a bell you can click. And if you click on that bell, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And now I have a couple new features on our YouTube page. But in the description, you can donate, and if you donate $5 or more, you can request a recipe that we do, and we're going to add that recipe to a list, and then eventually we are going to do that recipe in a video. So if you want us to do a recipe and want it to be guaranteed that we'll do it, you can just do that by clicking the donate link below through PayPal.
okay, let's get started. First, you want to spray your pan, 9 by 13 cake pan. Just spray it. Then we're going to go to the stove, and I've got 10 tablespoons of butter already melted. Now I'm going to add 2 10-ounce bags of marshmallows. You want to add the peanut butter when you put the marshmallows in to melt. So use 1 cup of peanut butter. And just melt that all together. Doesn't take very long. 5 or 6 minutes maybe. Be right back when it's melted. Okay, I've got it all melted together now, and I'm going to add 10 cups of Rice Krispie cereal and stir it. Okay, when you get it mixed well, we're going to pour half of it into the 9 by 13 sprayed pan. Okay, I'm going to just cover the bottom with the first layer, which is approximately half of the cereal. Put that little bit in. And I'm covering the bottom of a measuring cup, and I'm going to smash the Rice Krispies down in the pan with that so you don't burn your hands. So you just put butter on the bottom of it. And get it pressed down. You got to work a little bit fast so you can get the other part of the Rice Krispies in before they set up. Okay. Okay, and we're going to line up our Reese cups. We actually have the Reese eggs. They work the same. So I'm going to put them in a row here. So we have 18 of them here. But if you want more or less, it's okay too. And then I'm going to put the rest of the Rice Krispie mixture on top. Okay, then you Just press that in on top. So I might have used a little bit too much on the bottom, so it didn't quite cover the top, but not too bad. See if I can get a little more to cover this corner. Okay, that's pretty good. Put a little bit down here. Smash this down. Okay, and then you want to put peanut butter and chocolate on top. It's like a half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of chocolate. I usually use almond bark and melt it in the microwave, but our microwave's broke right now, so I had to heat some up. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle it on top. Do the chocolate. And then I'm gonna drizzle peanut butter. It says should do a half a cup of peanut butter, melt it in the microwave and put it on top. I had some left over from Shipshawana. I'm gonna, Amish peanut butter I'm gonna just use. So here's the finished product, I mean. Easy peasy. Okay, here we go.
Okay guys, we are back and this is what we got. See the inside with the peanut or the Reese's cup inside, and they turned out looking really good. So yeah, and they were really easy. Didn't take us long at all.
Nope.
We've had some requests for this, so that's why we did it. So we hope you enjoy the video, and if you make it, send us some pictures so we can see it. I know we announced our cookbook a little while back, and we just want to let you know that we're still doing the cookbook. It's just taking a little longer than what we expected, but the cookbook will still be coming out, and still be coming out pretty soon. So we're excited for that, and stay tuned. And also, just check out the links in the description. We have some things we'd like you to see in the description, some of the social medias and all kinds of stuff.
Oh, for every subscriber we get, I'll drink a glass of milk. I like milk.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Should we lean or back up?
Just how we are. Sit here.
Everyone.
And today we are going to be making stife.
I'm the one who usually does the bloopers.
I'm here with my grandma.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Shoot. Why did I do that? Hi, everyone. Oh, it's the only time I get to laugh.
That sounds really sad. You're not happy except for when we do videos?
Well, I just...
So you haven't been happy?
I don't get time to laugh.
You're too busy?
Yeah.
So
You know what I mean?
So you've only been able to laugh for the past 8 months. Because that's how long we've been doing videos.
Well, I laughed a little bit before that. I just laugh at myself all the time because I'm crazy. It said, Connor is pregnant. It was supposed to say, Connor is... I don't even know. But it turned out and it said pregnant. It's like, yeah, haha. This is a really laugh. I have a belly. For every subscriber we get, I'll drink a glass of milk. I like milk.